What's up, YouTube? My name's Kyle, and today I'm actually going to try to do a new video on trying to be a mechanic. Really, I'm not a mechanic, never been good at it, never really liked it, but my passenger window is not working, and I went to, of course, YouTube and saw a video on how to fix a passenger window for free. So I gotta try it out. So my truck is a 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500, a very messy Silverado, but my passenger window is not working. So let's check it out. So in the video it talks about removing this guy. I don't even know the technical term for it. I just call it the switchboard. To do it, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Come in here, pop, and lightly pop that off. 10mm socket, got 2 screws. I already kind of got this loosened up for everybody. 1 and 2 down here. This guy should just easily pop out. Flathead screwdriver. And voila. Next we're going to try to unplug these wires, and it looks like this one slides out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it pops back and then out. Boom. So we need this piece. Now we're gonna go play. So next we gotta get this out of the casing. Pop it out of the casing. There we go. 1 and 2. There's your switch buttons. And you gotta do that same thing again. Taking this out of here. Alright, now it said you had this little plastic guy with contacts. Let's see the help, yep. And my contacts are pretty clean. It said there should be corrosion. I wish there was a little bit of corrosion on my front passenger. Wish that could be it. And then I'm just gonna jet ever so slightly. Getting some of that corrosion off. Same thing on this guy. Right. Some of that corrosion off the contact. Alright, put this guy back on there. This little guy was a placeholder. You just sort of stuck back into here like you're playing Battleship. Plate comes back on. Now it should all be a lot easier than taking it off. So just snap right back on. And same thing back in here. Now we're just going to do a soft test. Plug all this stuff back up and see if it works. Lock and unlock works. Now, before rubbing all those contacts, I could not get my passenger window to go down or up, so it looks like it's working. I'll be darned, YouTube. You impressed me. Oh, even that one was having troubles. Oh, nope, it's working. Look at that. It's still sticking. I could probably clean that contact a little bit more. Working good. Nice video. So hopefully this video was helpful. Maybe it'll save you a little bit of money. I knew one thing though, it wasn't going to be something big like a motor in the door, because I could still go to the passenger door and use the button and it still worked. It just wasn't working from my driver switch plate. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you on the next one.